Alright everybody, first stop, Golden Nugget. Let's go check this out. I just came from the water taxi. Here we go. Bubblegum shrimp right here. Golden Nugget Laughlin. Oh, casino upstairs. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking hot. Wow, it is dark in here. Alright, let's go clockwise. Alright, so we're going clockwise. Golden Nugget. And there's copyright music, so I'm gonna have to take that out. Look at that. Wow. That's a nice setup. So look at this view. Huh. Wow. Yeah, so it's copyright music, and you're not going to hear any background sound. Whew, I am still sweating. Got off that taxi, water taxi, and I'm still sweating. Promotions booth right here. Okay. Walk to the other casinos from here too, which I might do. Since it's right next door to each other, it was 21 minutes to walk from Harrah's over here, and I wasn't doing that. I don't know. Ceilings are really low here. Oh, what's out here? Look at this. What is this, a bar and a ballroom? Big bar area. Look at that. Wow. Let's check that out. So I guess the hotel registration is over there. I guess this is the entrance right here. And dining on the left side. I wonder what restaurant this is. I think I saw a sign that said Claim Jumper. I gotta check. Let's see. Table games right in the middle. Yeah, that was Claim Jumper. We'll walk back over in this section. Yeah, it's very dark in here. Hopefully the camera can pick up. I might have to adjust the camera. So that's where I came up over there. Yeah. We have a smoke-free area over here. There's a bunch of old games here. Oh my god, ventilation here sucks. Yeah. Ventilation's bad.
I've been waiting so long to be where I'm going.
Look at this bar. Bar right up right here. You can sit here, drink, play some games, and look at the water. Man, this place has a lot of old games over here. All the new games were close to the entrance from the taxi, water taxi. Yeah. It's called a Reef Bar. Man, this section over by the Reef Bar has all the old Game Kings. Everybody who loved Game Kings, come over here and play. Wow. Then over in the corner, there's a place to eat called Bean. Was it Bean and Bread? Yeah, Bean and Bread. And then this is the sports book. Sports betting area. Money center. So player services. There's an older crowd here. Everybody's drinking wine. Yeah. Back over to the middle section. Middle section has newer games. Right behind the table games. So, yep. Another bar next to the player services called the Sandbar. It's a smaller casino. I thought it'd be bigger. Oh, it smells like suntan lotion in here. Sunblock and suntan lotion since everybody's going to the Colorado River. It's so freaking hot. I think today is 116. 116 in Laughlin, Nevada. Three wheels. I think that is the whole casino. That's it. I wonder if I missed anything. Hey, they don't have bubble crabs here. That's too bad. I'll go back over to this side over here to see if I missed anything. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, no, I didn't miss anything. Not at all. So that is Golden Nugget. Yeah, there you go, everybody. Golden Nugget. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next casino walkthrough. I'm gonna walk out the front of the casino now. Y'all have a nice day. Golden Nugget. So there it is, Golden Nugget. Nugget Station. Now, I'm walking over to Pioneer Gambling Hall.